Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Ufi Sarma dengan NPM 24312076. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan studi sebuah perusahaan yaitu PT Java Compat Tbk Indonesia. Oke. Day 1, Component Introduction and Basic Skills is the activity registration and opening. In please lobby of the training center hall of PT Java Jakarta, not participants will register and receive training materials. Next is the activity introduction to PT Java Compat Indonesia Tbk and company culture in place PT Training Center Hall, Java Jakarta. Note the session includes a presentation of the company's history, vision and mission, and the work culture promoted by PT Java. Next is the activity rest. In place rest area PT Training Center Hall, Java. Note, her participants can enjoy coffee, tea, and snacks before continuing with the next session. Next activity, effective communication skills in the work environment. PT in place PT Training Center Hall, Java, Jakarta. Note, the session involves interactive communication exercises between participants. Next activity, have lunch. In place Java Training Center, Canton, Jakarta. Note, participants will have lunch together in the canton with chefs, nutritious and balanced food. Next activity, implementing time management to increase efficiency. In place Java Training Center, Canteen, Jakarta. In place PT Training Center Hall, Java, Jakarta. Note, this session includes team planning exercises using case study examples that will help participants organize work priorities more effectively. Next activity, rest. In place PT Training Center Hall, Java, Jakarta. Not participants can rest for a moment and enjoy a reading before continuing with the final training session of the day. Next activity, as of technology at PT Java Information System and Mobile Application in place PT Training Center Hall, Java, Jakarta. Note, this session will show a demo of using PT internal application. Next, day 2, development of special skills. This is activity review of the first day and opening of the second day. In place, technical training room PT Java. Note, participants will review the previous day's material and receive an agenda of today technical training. Next activity, technical training in place production area, Factory PT Java Tangerang. Note, this session takes the form of a group discussion where participants are given case studies related to operational challenges in the food industry. Next activity, rest. In place rest area Tangerang Factory. Next, day 2, development of special skills. This is activity review of the first day and opening of the second day. Please technical training from PT Java. Note, participants will review the previous day's material and receive an agenda for 2 days. Next activity, technical training. In place production area factory PT Java Tangerang. Note, this session takes the form of a group discussion where our participants are given case studies related to operational. Next activity, this is rest. In place, rest area Tangerang Factory. Note, participants can rest in the space provided in the factory area with drink and snack facilities. Next activity, case study, solving problems in the food and livestock industry. In place simulation room PT Factory Java Tangerang. Note, this session will discuss case studies related to operational challenge. Next activity, have lunch. In place Factory Canteen PT Java Tangerang. Note, lunch will be held in the factory canteen with a local menu. Next activity, teamwork and collaboration in a site production environment. In place, technical training room PT Factory Java Tangerang. Note, participants will take part in teamwork exercises involving collaboration simulation between production departments. Next activity, rest. In place, Tangerang. Note, participants can enjoy snack before continuing the session. Next activity, simulation improved product quality and operation efficiency. In place, simulation room PT Factory Java Tangerang. Note, participants will carry out operational simulation using production software. Okay, next day 3. Continuous evolution and development. In the activity, review of day 2 and opening. Okay, day 3, continuous evaluation and development. In the activity, review of day 2 and opening of day 3. In place, Auditorium PT Java Jakarta. Not at the start of the session, participants will review lessons from the second day and receive guidance for the activities of the final day of training. Next activity, Session 1, Leadership and Education, Making in the Livestock and Vet Industry. In place auditorium PT Java Jakarta, not participants will learn leadership principles from effective decision making techniques. Next activity, rest. In place, rest area auditorium PT Java Jakarta. Note, participants can rest and enjoy a snack before continuing the evaluation session. Next activity, session 2, career planning and personal development at PT Java. In place, auditorium PT Java Jakarta. Note, in this session, participants will be given guidance regarding career development at PT Java and how to develop yourself to achieve career targets. Next activity, have lunch. In place, factory canteen PT Java Tangerang. Not lunch is provided in the canteen with service, nutritious dishes for participants. Next activity, session 3, training, performance evaluation and testing. In place, auditorium PT Java Jakarta. Not participants will take written and performance exams to evaluate their understanding. Next activity, rest. In place, auditorium PT Java Jakarta. Not participants can rest before the closing rest sessions. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.